it's gonna run? Is it red or blue? Red! And it's, well, after you hear go, you will go. Are you aware of this finish line?
Right here.
Are you aware of the finish line, teams?
On the chair.
All right.
On the chair. Pass in the chair. Fight me. Just jump
On your marks. Set. Go.
You guys in front.
Team Red. Alright.
You guys are front. But good.
That was for Team Red. Team Red has gotten it.
Oh my God.
Okay, I want to test the adults. The adults are sitting there. I want to see which of them are quick with their fingers. Adults, do you have your phones today? Sister Mary, have your phone? You have a phone? No, man.